Crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to be making this cute origami skull. Now before we jump into this video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted when new videos come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami skull, you're going to need a square sheet of paper and also a ready utensil or a marker or something to draw in your little skull face. First, you want to take your square sheet of paper and fold it in half. Unfold, and then you want to align the bottom side to the horizontal center crease that you just created. So I'm just bringing it in to the center crease, aligning it, and then creasing it in. Rotate and repeat the same thing at the bottom. So we're going to bring it up again, crease that in. And next you want to fold the entire thing in half. And so now we have a square. I'm going to rotate it so that the opening is facing up away from me. And then I'm going to take the top flap only and bring it down to the bottom. So take that top flap, bring it to the bottom, and then crease it in. And unfold. So now we have a crease at the center and one over here. You're just going to take this crease and align it to that center crease. So just bring it up like that. And crease it in. And then unfold. And so now when you flip it around, you have a square at the top where the face is going to be, and then you have 1, 2 creases right below that center crease. So now let's take this top crease over here, and we're going to bring this and align it to the very bottom crease. So you're going to go just like that. And so now from the side, you have a little zigzag. We're going to flip it around and then flip it around again. And now you want to focus on this right side over here. I'm going to lift this top flap only, and I'm going to bring this side and align it to the center. And as you do that, as you fold this side to the center, this portion is going to form a triangle. And when you have that triangle, you just want to squish it and crease it in. So now we have a triangle over here and then a rectangle right here. So again, it was just bringing it over and then flattening to create a triangle. So I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. You're going to grab this side over here, bring it over to the center, crease the bottom in like that, and then the triangle that naturally forms at the top, you want to squish it. So now let's rotate, and we're going to work at the top of the skull. So we're going to take this right side over here, I'm going to fold it diagonally to the center vertical line, and this is going to create a triangle. Do the exact same thing on this side, fold it over diagonally to the center line. We're going to take this point and we're going to bring it up and align it with this horizontal line. So we're going to fold it straight up and crease it in. Now let's flip the entire thing around so we have a better perspective of how the skull is going to be shaped. You want to round out his chin, so we're going to take this corner, we're going to bring it back, round that out. Do the same thing on the left side, so we're going to bring the chin, bring it back, and then crease it in. And then for the bottom, we're going to fold it back. So if you want him to have longer teeth, you would fold less. And if you want him to have shorter teeth, you would fold more. I think right about here is good. And you're going to crease that in. Now you're going to grab your Sharpie or your marker and decorate. And that is how you make an origami skull. If you like that, be sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications to be alerted when new videos come out, and also leave your comments below letting me know what your favorite Halloween candy is, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye!